Я есть хочу. Да ладно.
Söylenmeden olmuyor değil mi? İşte bakayım.
Hi! Oh my god! Hi! Hi! Hi! Hi! Oh my god! Where did you come from? What is happening? Hi! What? I don't know what to do now. Am I your mom now? What is happening? I don't know what to do.
Ow! You motherfucker.
Watch, her ears go like really far back whenever I do like the heavy metal sound. What are you doing? What are you getting? Whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa! Where'd you go? What the fuck?
I literally tell this to every cat owner I meet. But anyways, when you rub your cat's stomach, move your hand up their stomach and stretch their arms out. Stretch their arms out. They freaking love this crap.
I can't be the only one who hears you.
Explain to me, cats, what is going on? I don't understand what's going on here. Why are you in? You look, there's no water in there.
Wake up. So I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
Aww, can I pet your baby? Can I just pet the baby? I just wanna pet the baby. I just wanna pet it. Pet it. Can I pet you? Okay, alright, maybe not.
Hi there. Remember that time you showed me love and affection? Well, I'm here to stay now. I got feelings. That's how it works. You showed me human kindness. Something I'm not used to, but hey, you did it. I'm your problem now.
Show me your fingies. Thank you. Those are nice fingies.
No. Ay. Noxy, stai convinte.
Come on. Let's go to my room. Arlo! Come here. Stop! Look at, he doesn't want you. Alex! He doesn't want you! Come back here, my baby!
Oh my God, no he did not take me to one of these fine ass resorts. I'ma see a Fruit Loops bird.
It's okay, honey. I'm not gonna hurt you. Oh, baby. You're okay.
You'll be fine. Not that good. Yeah, shake it out.
I'm fine. Can I have a finger back? Okay. I'll get out. Jeez. All right, I'm out. I'm saved. I'm fine.
Be careful.
Whoa,
Holy
whoa,
shit,
whoa,
dude.
whoa,
What is that
whoa.
thing?
What is it? Why are you here? What do you want?
Yeah, what do you want?
Yeah, why are you here?
No way.
No one invited
You're
you,
not
dude.
welcome.
This is our space.
We don't just show up at your home acting weird.
Yeah, quit being so weird.
Why is it being so weird?
Stop being so f***ing weird.
Say something!
Dogs. The fuck?
What?
Are you peeing in there? Kevin!
Oh, he's not happy.
Soft loaf. Chonky. Does not know anything. Does not even know 1, 2, 3s. Only knows be angry and bite mommy.
Sterling, this is the pumpkin, and this is the pine cone. Show me the pumpkin. Which one's the pumpkin? Which one's the pumpkin? Good boy.
For the last time, Khajiit, I do not have moon sugar. I'm sorry.
Hey! Coucou mon bébé! Ça va? Non, mais oui.
What the hell you think you go walking through here? Oh, you doubling up on the walkthrough? Man, what's going on here? Y'all ain't just gonna be walking through here like y'all. Who is this coming through? You get the double skibbity paps, man. One for each ball since you a man. Y'all better start getting clearance out here before you just walk, because you can get the you get the double up on the skibbity paps, man. I got skibbity paps all day, man. Y'all, you bet. I'm sick of this. I should have knocked your glasses off, playboys. You walk into a wall.
Please, oh my god. He killed my laptop. He killed my,
No, you're not going outside. No. No. No. No. Nope.
wow. You love it?
You're stealing, right to jail. You're playing music too loud, right to jail, right away. You're driving too fast, jail. Slow, jail. You're charging too high prices for sweaters, glasses. You right to jail.
Don't do it.
You did not just do that! She dropped her mouse into my root beer! Persephone, what did you do?
The floof is being a little moody, and she has a case of resting floof face. Did your floof have a case of resting floof face like this?
Teddy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, did your baby leave you? Did your baby leave you?